One of the expenses that you can claim for your business is depreciation. That's one of the expenses that you're actually not paying any cash to somebody to claim. It is a depreciation of your assets. So if you purchase any assets in your business more than $500, you have to register them as asset and depreciate them based on a depreciation rate on RRD website. We include the link to the depreciation rates and below this video, so you can have a look and see what are the assets and what are the depreciation you can claim for any categories of the assets available. So what you will claim is every year you claim a depreciation. Look, if it's a 20% depreciation rate, you claim a 20% every year. You cannot claim the whole lump sum amount in the first year, because that asset will last you 5 years, 4 years, 2 years, whatever is the life of that asset. So the things that you have to be careful if you have an asset, so like if you have a computer and the computer it's gone missing, or I don't know, you dropped it and you wouldn't have that computer anymore, you can write it off and any years. So you have to let your accountant know, or you have to write off that asset, because that asset will sit in your asset and every year you're going to claim depreciation. So if you write it off, you can claim the remaining value of that asset that you have against your profit. The other thing that you have to be careful is if you've done all this, so like if you purchase something and you claim the depreciation and you purchased it for $10,000, you claim the $5,000, so the book value is $5,000, but you decide to sell that asset and you sold it for $8,000, then you're gonna be liable for a tax on the $3,000 profit that you make, because you claim those expenses and you reduced it to $5,000, but now you're selling it for $8,000. So the difference between the book value and what you're selling it for, that's gonna be a profit and it comes back to your income. So make sure you understand that side about depreciation. If you have any questions about any of the assets that you have, or you don't understand depreciation, make sure you click on the link below and we'll be more than happy to have a chat with you. Make sure your asset register and depreciation is all in order.